Okay, motorboating fans, we are at the Fox Valley Ice Arena for our boat school. Today, Master William, First Mate Miss Beck,
good morning,
and Miss Lori.
Hello.
We are all going to go get some boat training, so stay tuned. We match? We match. Fox Valley Ice Arena. Pretty cool. We're going to the third floor for the boater safety class here at boat school.
I'm at school.
Sure it's really legible, because this has to go downstate and get filed, and if it's not legible, they just throw the stuff away.
We got snacks, my favorite part.
Whole class is snacks. How's the class going so far?
Nerve-wracking.
Nerve-wracking.
She's nervous.
Billy boy?
Mr. Bill, how's the class going?
How's the class going? You learning everything? So far so good. So far so good.
Mr. Layman, Mr. Captain.
We're at an intermission right now. So far it's been pretty basic.
Walk around a boat and learn the terms.
We're gonna get a boat demonstration on a fishing boat out here.
It's a fishing boat?
Yeah, brand new fishing boat or something, so let's go take a look. Okay. Here, and we're gonna go check out this little fishing boat, and we're gonna talk about the components of the boat. So let's go take a look.
Doors are closed. That's good. Oh, sorry. As far as how many people can be on this boat, or what's the capacity on this thing? 6 people. Okay. Does everybody see that capacity play here?
What we do is we tell all the women beat the guys all the
I
time.
passed.
So we make it easy.
All right.
Lori passed,
William?
and Billy Boy passed.
Jonathan?
Did you pass, Miss Lori?
I passed.
Is Billy Boy passed? He's certified.